Hello, John with Beechwoodcraft here. Today we're going to begin the journey of adding a little laser module, 10-watt laser module, to my Bulkman 3D Ultimate B CNC machine. Now, I imagine this would apply to many, since so many of them are very, very similar, this would apply to many of them. But I believe the most significant thing is going to be getting the Spark Concepts X Pro version 5 CNC controller to correctly operate the CNC, the laser module. So the laser module I chose is a LaserTree, and here is the model and operator manual for that if you're interested. It's a 10-watt module, and the module itself is right here. It's got a magnetic eye protector thing, and what I noticed is that the spindle bracket, or the spindle mount, whatever you want to call it, has two tapped holes 40 millimeters apart, tapped for M5 threads. And I decided that was a good place to put it, good as any. So I'm very new to 3D printing, but I began making some tests. First I made this piece, which you can see the flats on it, and that matches the flats on the laser module, and that fit very, very tight, but it fit. And then what we did was we created this piece, which is actually two pieces. As you can see, this one has grooves on the back that match the screw locations. I couldn't figure out a way to get the screws to go through because they would interfere with the laser module holder itself, without making it a whole lot bigger and more cumbersome. So that was attempt number one. Unfortunately, and I don't know how well this camera is aimed, but unfortunately, the laser module, when this was mounted, hit the flange of the dust boot. So attempt number two, as you can see, has quite a bit thicker mounting plate on the back. So that lets it stand off just enough to clear the dust boot, and that should be a good location. So that's about all I want to say for now. If you're interested, there'll be a number of additional videos coming out showing the wiring and the configuration of the Spark Concepts device to run the laser module, and we'll run into things as we run into them and work our way through them and figure out how to make everything work. If you don't have a Spark Concepts controller, some of this may still be helpful to you. I don't know, but time will tell. Anyway, thanks for tuning in. Hit the like and subscribe button if you would like to help boost my ratings, and we'll see you next time. Thanks again.